أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah. From today we are going to learn lesson number 1 of Madani Qaida. It is the basics of Quran. If you will read this Qaida properly, then you can read the whole Quran easily, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. You can see first letter is a single straight line. It is called alif. Alif. Next letter has one dot at the bottom. It is called ba. Ba. Next letter has two dots at the top. It is called ta. T-A-A. Ta. Ta. Next letter has three dots at the top. It is tha. You have to pronounce it without whistle. Tha. Touch your tongue with your upper teeth. Tha. Next letter has semicircle shape and it has one dot inside. It is Jeem. Jeem. Next letter has empty shape. It is Ha. Pronounce it from the middle part of the throat. Ha. Ha. Next letter has one dot at the top. It is Ha. It has thicker voice. Ha. Next one is Dal. Dal. Next one Dal. It has one dot and it has soft voice. Dal. Zal. Next letter is Ra. Ra. Next one Z. We have to pronounce it with force. Z. Z. Next letter has whistle sound. It is called Seen. Seed. Next one is Sheen. You have to make sh sound there. Sheen. Next letter has bold whistle. Sod. Sod. Next letter is Dod. It has bold sound. Dod. Dod. This one is Ta. It has bold sound. Ta. T-U-A-A. Ta. Ta. Next letter is Zo. Zo. It has bold sound also. Z-U-A-A. Zo. Zo. Next letter is Ain. Ain. From the middle part of the throat. Ain. Next letter is Ghain. 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 Next one is Fa. 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 F-A-A. Fa. Next one is Qaf, Qaf. It has bold sound. Kaf, Kaf. Next Kaf has light sound. Kaf. Next one is Lam, Lam. Next one is Meem, Meem. Next one is Noon, Noon. Next one is Waw, Waw, Waw. Next one is Ha, Ha, from the deep part of the throat. Ha. Next one is Hamza, Hamza, without stretching or without jerking. Hamza, Hamza. Next one is Ya, Ya. Sadaqallahul Azim.